What if I told you there's a secret tool that could triple your affiliate sales overnight? Stick around because we're diving into the game-changing world of AI-driven personalization. And trust me, you won't want to miss these insider tips. Imagine how powerful it would be if you could offer each visitor to your site exactly what they're looking for, even before they know it themselves. That's the magic of AI-driven personalization. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI can craft personalized content recommendations that feel uniquely tailored to each individual. Think product suggestions that match their past purchases, blog posts that pique their interest, or advertisements that resonate on a personal level. Using AI to generate these recommendations isn't just smart, it's a game changer. Let's look at product suggestion. For example, AI can skim through mountains of data to find patterns and predict what a user might want next. Have you ever browsed an online store and seen a recommend for you section that just gets you? That's AI. Hard at work, turning casual browsers into loyal buyers. Now, consider blog posts. AI can recommend articles based on what a reader has previously clicked on, keeping them engaged on your site for longer. This means more time spent on your content and more opportunities for conversions. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what each reader wants to see next. Advertisements are another area where AI shines. Forget generic ads that miss the mark. AI uses data to serve up ads that align with individual user preferences, making them more relevant and less intrusive. This leads to higher engagement rates and better ROI on your ad spend. So, how can you start harnessing this AI magic for your own content? And what kind of results should you expect? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Dynamic personalization is a powerful tool that takes user experience to the next level. Imagine visiting a website where everything you see feels like it was picked just for you. That's the magic of dynamic personalization in action. AI algorithms track your behavior on the site, such as the pages you visit, the products you click on, and even the time you spend on certain sections. Using this information, the AI can adjust the content displayed to match your preferences almost instantly. This isn't just about showing more of what you like. It's about creating a seamless user journey. If you've been reading up on fitness gear, dynamic personalization can suggest related workout articles, highlight trending products in that category, or even offer exclusive discounts tailored to your interests. This keeps you engaged, making the browsing experience feel personal and relevant. For businesses, the benefits are massive. By presenting users with content that resonates with them, companies can significantly boost engagement rates and customer satisfaction. The more relevant the content, the more likely users are to stay on the platform, leading to higher conversion rates and loyalty. Next, consider how dynamic personalization can improve your content strategy. Instead of guessing what your audience wants, you'll have data-driven insights that guide your content creation, ensuring each piece has the highest potential for impact. What's your experience with personalized content? Have you noticed how it changes your interaction with websites? All right, let's talk about some of the coolest tools and platforms that offer AI-driven content personalization features. First up, we have Optimizely. This platform is a powerhouse when it comes to personalizing web experiences. It uses AI to track user behavior and dynamically change content, making it super relevant to each visitor. For example, if you're an affiliate marketer promoting health supplements, Optimizely can show more content about fitness and health to those interested in that niche. Another fantastic tool is Adobe Target. This one's widely used because it integrates seamlessly with other Adobe products. Imagine having data from all your marketing channels funneled into one place, giving you a holistic view of your audience. Adobe Target's AI Algorithms will analyze this data and recommend content that'll keep your audience hooked and more likely to convert. Now, let's discuss dynamic yield. This platform is all about real-time personalization. What's awesome about dynamic yield is its flexibility. You can run A/B, test, create custom audience segments, and even automate recommendations. It's perfect for affiliate marketers who want to ensure that every visit to their site counts. When integrating these tools into your affiliate marketing strategy, you'll want to follow some best practices. First, always start with data collection. The more data you gather about your audience, the better the AI can perform. Next, prioritize user experience. Make sure the personalized content enhances the user journey rather than interrupting it. Finally, continuously test and refine your strategies. AI tools are powerful, but their effectiveness hinges on how well you fine-tune them over time. So what's your take on using AI-driven tools for content personalization? Have you tried any yet, or are you thinking about integrating them into your strategy? Let me know in the comments.